Yesterday I requested you to read literal chapter and come. Finished? So did you understand how to convert one number to one form to another form? Binary to decimal, decimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal. Have seen? Octal. Right. So did you able to find out which number is valid and which number is not valid according to the number format? If a number starts with 0, it is called octal. It cannot contain 8 and 9. Up to 0 to 7 digits only allowed. Next, if it starts with 0x, it is called hexadecimal number. In that, what letters are allowed? A to F. More than F letters if you use, then you will get compile time error. Right. So hope you have revised and learned. Now, let's try to understand the next topic, type conversions. What the meaning of type conversion? What the meaning of typecasting? What the meaning of type promotion? Already you have learned this topic, but you don't know the topic heading. Tell me, can I take a float variable f equal to 10? Float f equal to 10. Can I write float f equal to 10? Possible or not possible? Possible here. Why not possible? What is 10? Int. Int and f is what type? Float. Int and float are compatible or not? Both are number type only. So both are compatible. So no problem. Compatible. I have not written there 10.0. I have written 10. 10 is a what type? Int. Int can be converted to float. It means here compiler what substitute? 10.0 f. It will write internally 10.0 f and assign to f variable. Possible or not? Yes. 10 is a what type? Int. Converted to float. That is type conversion. Converting one type of value to another type is called type conversion. Okay. Now I am writing int I equal to 10.5. Is it allowed? No. Why not allowed? Is there any type problem or range problem? Only we have range problem. There is no type problem. Okay. Range problem means the value here 0.5 is exceeding the range of the int. If I remove this 0.5, can only 10 can store in the int? Yes. Because there is a chance of value losing some value here, compiler software throwing error and telling you there is a chance of value loss. Is it okay to you? By throwing the compiled error, compiler saying that there is a chance of some value loss. Is it okay to you? Then you should say yes. Then for that, you should communicate to the compiler by using cast operator. Here after assignment operator, you want to convert to which type? Int type. Here you should write int 10.5. Then here 10.5 what type? Double. Converting to which type? Int. It is also type conversion. So if you assign lesser range type to highest range variable, then the type conversion is coming automatically. So that conversion is called what? Auto conversion. Now here assignment operator unable to complete the conversion because this is highest range value trying to assign to lesser range variable. So compiler throwing error. But with the cast operator are you able to convert? Yes. Then it is called casting. So what is a type conversion? Converting one type of value to another type is called type conversion. How many types of conversions we have? 2 types. Auto conversion and casting. Auto conversion is also called implicit conversion because compiler doing the required conversion, programmer you no need to involve. Casting is called what? Explicit conversion. This means this conversion is done by programmer explicitly. Okay. Implicit conversion is doing from where to where? Lesser range type to highest range. That means there is some value addition is there. Na? some value is adding or size is added. Here value is added, 0.0 is added. Now sometimes size will be increased. That's why it is called widening. Either value is increasing or size is increasing. That's why it is called what? Widening. Next, in casting, the value size is increasing or decreasing. Either value is decreasing or size is decreasing. So we call it as what? Opposite, narrowing. So how many types of conversions we have? 2 types. Auto conversion and casting. If the conversion is done by assignment operator automatically by compiler, then we call it as auto conversion. Auto conversion is achieved when we assign lesser range value to highest range variable. Here value loss will not be there. Either same value is stored or some more value may be added. So that's why this conversion is called implicit conversion or called widening. Next, now what do you call? Casting means converting one type of value to another type by using cast operator is called casting. In a cast, when we want to convert highest range value to lesser range type value, we must go for casting. Casting is also called explicit conversion because as a programmer, we are involving on doing the conversion. And next, this conversion is also called narrowing because the conversion, in this conversion, either we are losing value or size is decreasing. That's why it is called what? Narrowing. All people understand? Right. What is type casting? Converting one type of value to another type by using cast operator is called typecasting. Okay, we can do typecasting from where to where? Highest range to lesser range. When you want to do conversion from highest range to lesser range, compulsory you must use cast operator. Sometimes I need to do conversion from lesser range to highest range. To do conversion from lesser range to highest range, just a assignment operator is sufficient. Sometimes without assignment operator I need to do. For example, I am calling a method, M1 method, whose parameter is float. Okay, can I call this M1 method by passing 10? Yes. Yes or no? Now compiler first searching for float parameter or int parameter? Int parameter. Because int parameter is not available, then matching to what? Float. For instance, I have both methods, M1 of float and M1 of int. Both parameters are there. Then which parameter method executed? Int parameter method only executed. Hello, are you following? Now I want to pass 10 only, but I want to execute float parameter. In that case, you must explicitly do conversion. M1 of int by M1 of what you write here? Float. Okay, M1 of float by passing what? 10. Samajh mein aaya? Right. So then float parameter method executed. 10 is a what type? Int. Lesser than float. But still we are converting into to float by using cast operator because here I cannot do assignment. I have to do only casting. So in a method calls, we need to do lesser type conversion to highest range. That time also we use what? Casting. Now the question, can I use a cast operator to convert the type between incompatible types? For example, boolean b equal to 5 I have written. Is it allowed or not allowed? Here range problem or type problem? Now I am writing boolean b equal to boolean of 5 I am writing. Cast operator explicitly I am using and telling to compiler, hey compiler, you convert it, nothing will happen. I am telling, you do it, I am saying. Will you do it? No, it will throw error. It will throw error. What error will get? Incompatible types. Understand? So cast operator can be used only in between compatible types, highest range to lesser range or lesser range to, we cannot use between incompatible types. Can I expect all people understand? Right. These points are clearly there in volume 1A textbook. Whatever the explanation I gave, examples, definitions are there in volume 1A textbook in a data types chapter. I don't want to tell page number. After going to home, you search. వెతకాలి, వెతికితే దొరకందంటూ ఏమీ ఉండదు. తెలుసు కదా వర్షం మూవీ. డిడ్ యు వాచ్ వర్షం మూవీ? తెలుగు పీపుల్ వెతకాలి, వెతికితే అన్ని దొరుకుతాయి. రైట్. So now go and search in volume 1A textbook, data types chapter. Okay. In a data types chapter, first you will have data types explanation. Then you will have literals and then we have type conversion. Okay, na? Literals fully not there in the material. That's why I ask you to follow Xerox material. Okay, type conversion topic fully there in volume 1A textbook. That's why I didn't give any Xerox material. Directly follow textbook. Samajh mein aaya? Right. Now the next story. Ready? Type promotion. Promotion. Have you heard the word promotion? What is the meaning of promotion? Going to next level. Type conversion is nothing but type promotion. Type conversion means what? Converting lesser range type value to higher range. It's called what? Type conversion. Type promotion is also same, but where not in a assignment. In a assignment operator you are promoting, that is called conversion. I am writing something like this. Expression I am writing, like arithmetic operation expression. 10 plus 20.5 I have written. 10 plus 20.5. Then tell me here, 10 is what type? 20.5? Double. Result is what? 30.5. Of what type of result? Double type. 10 plus 20.5, 30.5. Here 10 is int, 20.5 double. You cannot add different type of values. Samajh mein aaya? You cannot add different type of values. Even in your childhood also, maybe you remember 10, 20.5, how much your teacher asked you. If you directly write here 30.5, your teacher backside will beat you. Remember? And if you write this in exam, your teacher will strike off. Why? You cannot add int and floating point number. You must convert this integer number to floating point number. Then only you can add 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 2, 3. Then write. That means what you did in your mathematics, you converted integer number to floating point number. Then you have added floating point number to floating point number. That means int is automatically promoted to which type? Double type. So this conversion is called what? Promotion. Don't call it as conversion. We call it as promotion. So what is type promotion? When we prepare an expression with a different type of values as operands, all lesser type values are promoted to highest range data type used in this expression. In this expression, we have used double as a highest range data type. That's why int is promoted to double. Understand? Right. Now, there are some situation, even though you don't have different type of values, the types are automatically promoted. Look at that. Byte B1 equal to 10. Now B1 is what type? Byte. Byte B2 equal to 20. Then I'm writing B1 plus B2. What type of value will come out? Byte plus byte. What type? It's not byte. It is what? Int. So byte, short, char data types are promoted to which type? Int. Why it is promoted to int? For arithmetic operations to perform, the minimum memory occupied inside JVM is 4 bytes. 4 bytes is what type? Int. So byte, short, and char. Byte, short, char. These three data types are automatically promoted to int type in an arithmetic operations. Is it clear? Alright, repeat once again. Byte plus byte. Result? Short plus short. Char plus char. Byte plus short plus char. Int, why you have doubt? Byte plus short plus char. Int. Int plus int. Int, not long. Int plus int. Int. Long plus long. Float plus float. Hey. Float plus float. Floater. Did I told you float plus 4 increase it to promoted? No, no. Don't show your talent. Float plus float. Double plus double. Char plus char. Char plus char. Int. Boolean plus boolean. Boolean plus boolean. Boolean. True plus true, true na? True na? Compiler throw error. We cannot apply arithmetic operations on Boolean data type. Tell me. Int plus long plus float. Int plus long plus float. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉందిరా double? Show me where is double here. Why you are bringing the new person into the picture? I have used 3 data types. Int, long, float. From here double will come. Array byte to short to carry promoted to another type int. Remaining data types will not promote. They will promote to the data type which is used highest range in the expression. In long float, int, long, float. Among these 3, which is highest range? Float is highest range. You don't have minimum common sense also. Int plus long, long. 10 plus 20L, 30L. Plus 40.5F. Result should be what? 0.5 also will come, na? 70.5 will come. Then how will show in a long? Are you catching my point? Among long and float, which is the highest range data type? Float is highest range because it has to store data in floating points. Floating points should store. Long cannot store. This is a confusion. Long is 8 bytes, no? Float is 4 bytes, no? So that's why long is highest range. Based on sizes, you should not consider the highest less. I didn't say highest range. I didn't say highest size. Are you catching my point? Ranges you have to consider, not sizes. Floating point, float variable memory is lesser, but range wise it is more. Then how it can store more? Because its memory structure store data in exponential format. Na? In exponential format, large number can be represented in less memory. Is it clear, na? Right. Long float, which is highest range? Float. Can I assign long value to float variable? Float f equal to 10L. Can I write? Yes, allowed. Can I assign float value to long variable? No. Compiler throw error. Now tell me. Long plus float plus char. What is the result? Float. Long plus char plus int. Long. Byte plus char plus long. Long. All are you catching up? These are compulsory asking written test questions. Double plus long plus float. Double plus long plus float. Double is highest range. Okay. Double plus long plus string. Double plus long plus string. Can I use string with the plus operator? No, no. Array, so many days you are using system.out.println, double quotes A plus A, double quotes X plus X, double quotes SNO plus SNO. How many times you have used plus? Now you are saying no. That's what? You are Gajinish, brand ambassador of Gajinish. You never recollect what you have learned so far. Always you will talk based on the current knowledge, instant knowledge. That's why instant noodles are very famous. 2 minutes noodles. Come on. So, can I use a plus operator with a string? Yes. Then it acts as a concatenation operator. Concatenation means it will add a or join a. Will you get result? Just a combination of all. Clear? Tell me. You concat any value to string, result is what? Because you cannot convert string to number, but you can convert number to string. 10 you can convert to string. Just you add double quotes around the 10. Then it become what? String. Samajh mein aaya? Right. So, come again. Long plus double plus string. What is the result? String. But how that string will come? Okay. For example, I am writing 10 plus 20.5 plus A. What is the output? 10 plus 20.5 plus A. 30.5. Excellent. Now, double quotes A plus 10 plus 20.5. A 30.5. Are able to visualize the expression? Double quotes A plus 10 plus 20.5. Output is not A30.5. Now the string came first. Then next plus will become addition or concatenation. All the people from your childhood you have mind 10 plus 20.5, 30.5. Mari ee mundalan plus em chesta? What will you do the first plus? You have to evaluate expression not from right to left. You must evaluate from left to right. Left to right you should go. First what you have to take? Plus. Then next plus. So 10, double quotes A plus 10 is A10. Plus 20.5 is A10 20.5. So if you use a string right side of plus, then it acts as what? Addition. If first is string, remaining all plus operators will work as what? Concatenation. So these all points are there in the material. Will you practice? Right. So type conversion, typecasting, type promotion. These points are clearly documented with all examples. You peaks enjoy if you read the material. In material, I explain all these points clearly with explanation. Okay, na? So I have completed literals, types of literals and type conversion. Where you have to follow these notes? Volume 1A textbook, data types chapter. Page number? I don't know. Search. Okay, na? Google search. Now, Java character set. Java character set. Java supports 2 character sets. ASCII and there is nothing to show here. Yeah, yendacho. Am I paying? ఎందుకు క్లోజ్ అయిపోయినాయండి? Hey, online students, did you hack my system? There are screen problem I am saying. Did you hack it? Why it's closed suddenly? You did something it seems. Balaya joined. So Java supports 2 character sets. ASCII character set and Unicode. Actually, ASCII character set is the subset of Unicode. ASCII character set is the subset of Unicode. Unicode is the meaning is what? Universal code. Are Kiran Kumar? Em jarigindra babu? Rambaka, okay na? Telugu na? Oh, Balai Babu fan ah? And then are you angry? Balai Babu came ante. Okay. Enjoy. Pandago. So now tell me. Unicode means what? Universal code. ASCII character set will support only English letters and numbers. And special characters which are there on the keyboard. That much. It doesn't support Japanese characters, China characters, Corona characters. Hey, CC matching. That's why they invented. Okay. Right. So Japanese characters, China characters, French characters. Okay. And different language characters. It will not support. Our Java is meant for developing web application. Means website. If you access my website in India or in UK or in US or in Australia, English language based countries, it should show in which language? English. So India also English. Yes, common language. Because every state has a different language, no? That's why common language is what? English, not Hindi. Okay, na? South India side we never use Hindi, okay? We hate Hindi. Because very tough. Tough or easy? Oh, very tough. Okay. Then, now tell me. So that's why common language in India is also what? English. Next. If you go Japan, in all states of Japan, they will talk only one language, Japanese. If you go and speak in English there, they will look at your face and ask, kya? In Japanese, they will say, kya? Okay. So they will, one of my client is Sony. Sony company? Sony TV, they used to manufacture chips, not eating chip, semiconductor, okay? Semiconductor chips will be there, right? Semiconductor they used to manufacture and selling to the different companies, okay? Semiconductor. So in the cars or different electronic devices, if software wanted to work, semiconductor is required. So they are manufacturing semiconductor. Further, the entire process of semiconductor manufacturing to track, they need one software. That software developed by my company, not my company, the company where I was working. So Sony is my client from the Japan. Okay, after I got job, that company is what? My main client. So after I got job, my team lead started, observed, okay, Hari is having good knowledge on Java, and that project is majorly working on core Java and JDBC. Majorly working on core Java, JDBC. Servlet JSP is also there, but not light is there. So my team lead identified, okay, this fellow is good in Java, let me slowly hand over all the responsibilities. Then one day he took me to client call. He's trying to tell something, but one word also I didn't understand. But I didn't express my doubts to my team lead because first day only face I don't understand, not good, no. Then I came out from the client call completed and I got one PPT. In that PPT, my screens will be like this, like image bar will be there. Some buttons will be there referring what different stages of semiconductor manufacturing steps. He want to move this particular image from here to here. Okay, and he want to do some configuration changes also. He prepared one PPT, that particular Japanese client has prepared PPT and mentioned here, this icon, we call it as images or what? Icon. This icon is moved from here to here. What he tell? Is moved. What did you understand? Past tense, no? Is moved. Oh, and I already completed. Then I opened that PPT and read his English statement. This icon is moved from here to here and did this configuration, something he told. All past tense is there. Okay, little bit I know English. Then I thought of, he already completed the task and informing to me that he did it. Okay, then I taken light. Then by evening, my team lead came and asked, hey, morning I sent one mail, the task completed. Which task? Then from morning I sent one PPT and asked you to do that work now. Hello, come. I opened that view. Okay, what he written here? He is Hindi person, okay. My team lead is Hindi. I don't know Hindi. Okay. And client is Japanese. He don't know English. Okay. Baba, what a combination I have. Okay, then, he is asking me to do, hey, look here, he is moved already written, that's why I thought of it is already completed. If it is already completed, why he is telling to you? Maybe he is informing me. Why he will inform you, you are a boss. Oh, this way also I should think. And the initial days, that much common sense will not be there, no? Then he smiled and told, Nana, their English very weak. Whenever they send any PPT, don't read content. Text don't read. Scenario, arrow marks you read. Do it. Acha, okay. Now onwards, past tense and future tense I should read. Okay. There, wherever he is there, I should add what will. Okay. They are ordering me. Acha, okay. So that much danger English they are using. Okay. Japanese people. Maybe there are some good English people will be there, but majority people, they like to speak only their own language. That's why my company used to give a training on Japanese. Ohayo gozaimasu. And good morning. Okay, hi. To tell hi in Japanese, when you're meeting one new person, you say hi, how are you? Na? Hi, to tell hi, ohayo gozaimasu. That one word only I learned from Japanese. Okay. First day my teacher told that, ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. What is that? Okay, that day only, second day onwards, gone. Okay. So, in China language, chucha chicho, right? So these languages you have to represent. If the same Gmail or Google accessed in Japan country, this character should show in Japanese. Same website is open in China, should show in which language? Chinese. France, if you open, French. So that country native language characters I have to display. Then my language should support only ASCII na Unicode. Unicode character set should support. Already catching my point? So, sir, how our application knows our website access in particular country? Not IP address. When your application is loaded into your country, means it is loading into country or into your system? Into your system. Your system has date and time, no? In date and time, there is something called locale. Okay, no? We have something called locale. So, whenever our program is loaded, your system has properties. Did I teach you system properties? Now, system is having internally some properties. One of the property is lang. What is that property name? Lang. Lang equal to background, it will set what? en_us. If you install our operating system in our country, India or US or UK somewhere, then what is the lang environment variable set with? en_us. If en_us is the locale, then US related characters has to be displayed here. Already catching my point? Next, if the lang is Japanese lang, every country will have, this is called locale. This is called locale. Every country has its own locale, time zone or locale we call it as. So, according to India, according to US, the locale will be what? en_us. Sir, who will set this locale? You don't need to set. OS only will set. While installing itself, it will only set by default inside. You don't need to worry about it. Clear my point? Right. Based on the locale, now the characters will be based on that locale, our system locale will be set, and then based on that locale, our characters or our Unicode characters will be loaded. Okay, so Java supports Unicode character set for supporting internationalization application. Which application? Internationalization. I-18N. The shortcut of internationalization is I-18N. Pronounce internationalization. Are you finding any difficulty in pronunciation? Are you finding any difficulty? That is the beauty of our Indian language. Our tongue will have a lot of, tongue twist words also we can speak easily. Hindi, our native language, your regional languages, that much tongue twisting will be there. Okay. And especially in Telugu, more tongue twist will be there. That's why generally people say, Desi Bhashalandu Telugu lessa. Okay, we have a lot of tongue twist is there. Even that word is how much typical word, difficulty word also we can pronounce easily. But US people cannot pronounce that much easily. Their English language is not that much, tongue twisting will not be there. Okay, internationalization, how much? That's why they found shortcut I-18N. Between I and N, you have 18 letters. That's why they found shortcut word I-18N. Understood? Its pronunciation is very difficult and writing is also very difficult. So now onwards, wherever you see I-18N, you have to pronounce it as internationalization. Okay. So in order to support that internationalization application, Unicode character set will be there. Unicode character set has a unique representation. It starts with /u, small u, Java case sensitive, /u, following by 4 digits. Okay, now following by 4 digits. These 4 digits are hexadecimal numbers. 0 to 9, A to F. Everyone understand? And each number will have background representation of ASCII character and also ASCII number. Okay, got clarity here? Some Unicode characters. If the Unicode character value is going beyond the ASCII range, then some other symbol will come. this explanation and programs also given in the material after this typecasting after literals topic. As part of literals only, I might have you found it. Java character set, Unicode character. In Xerox material 1, after literals chapter, this entire explanation, whatever the explanation I gave now, and sample programs on Unicode character I gave. Any of you are planning for proposal? Boys or girls? Anybody found your life partner in Amirpet? No, not it. Ayyo. Okay. Any of you want to prepare proposal letter? Okay. You can prepare in Java. Last batch, after this entire character set chapter, everything is completed. Okay, na? One girl came next day with a paper. Sir, how you are motivating your students? Okay. Hey, what happened? See, one boy has given this program. Okay. Hey, what happened? Run this program in your system. I type that program and run. Then it has shown I love you. What happened? Okay. He prepared complete program. It's not like a program, okay? The boy told open Edit Plus, type this program. It's very, very important program. Ask in interview. Okay, na? Everywhere, in every interview, very important program. Go on to type and see output. That innocent girl taken that letter and went to a room and open system and type. After running that program, it displayed, I love you. Please accept my proposal. Okay. He written each character in Unicode /U. Okay. Following by the particular I representing Unicode letter. Okay. Each letter written. I appreciated that boy of creativity. He was thinking in Java, okay, and prepared. He come to know that love letter also can prepare in Java. And for his innovation, I told her, why don't you accept? He is really creativity, na? Yes, sir. Really creative, na? In future, you will, lot of, surprises you will get. She also smiled. I already accepted. Okay. Right. I'm not, telling the boys, don't try this. Okay, na? Right. So just I'm telling, you have to think everything in Java. That's what my intention here, taking that, that live example I'm telling to you. Everything you have to think in Java. So you can prepare complete program, CLASS. Also you can write in Unicode. Space, also you can write in Unicode. Complete letters you can write in Unicode. And you can prepare a program. Try it in the system. In the material I given, not love letter. Okay? Right. Just a sample program I have given in material. Please try. But don't write proposal letters. Okay? Fine. So hope you understand it. Now, I hope all points I have mentioned here, what I wanted to explain, everything is covered. So only thing you have to practice and you have to complete it. Right. So hope you understand all the points. Now these comments and Java token, this topic, if you wanted to learn, okay. Java tokens are I stands for what? Identifier, keyword, literal, separator, operator. Okay, na? Right. All these topics are coming as a separate topic. Literals are already completed here. Okay, identified, just 7 rules are there. Keywords, totally 51 keywords are there. You need a list of all the keywords. And among them, we are learning, I mean, what do you call, we are learning all the keywords one by one in each chapter. Okay, na? Right. So, volume, this is a Xerox material 1, second chapter. Okay, Xerox material 1, second chapter is there. You can check if you want. So, that's the story about unit 1. And on this unit 1, let us try to develop one small project. Ready? Open notes. Where is this? I don't want write code. I want you only write. Will you try? First you try. If unable to write code, I will help you. Right. No voice. ఎక్కడ పోయింది voice? Completed, huh? Start writing code. How many classes you need to develop here? 2 classes. First one is employee, another is company. Okay, first you write employee class. Completed already? Everyone have written employee class? Class, employee. It's not main method class. How many properties I need to create? First one. Excuse me. Int employee number, employee name, department, salary, long, mobile, string email, char gender. Next, working status true or false, right? Not yes, no. Boolean. Boolean, working status. Anything else? Next, we need to develop company. In company, it's a main method class. I need to read values from keyboard. First, I need to read values from command line. From the command line, as a command line arguments and as system properties. For that, I need to use any predefined class to import here? No. I need to read values from console buffer reader. So for that, I need to add java.io. When you're working with buffer reader, I must use next. I should also use io exception. Next, I need to read data by using scanner, util.scanner. Right? Then main method. Inside main method, I need console class also, no? Console class is available in IO. Console is available in IO package. First, I should create console object, right? Why? You need to read username password, na? I don't want to allow everyone to enter employee data. I need enter only data entry operator. So I have to verify is he authorized data entry operator or not. Console CNS equal to new console system.console. Next. Now once console is connected, now I should read username. Okay, username. How to store username? String usn equal to cns dot read line. Next, system dot out dot println double quotes password. Then string password equal to new string of cns dot read password. Can I write like this? Yes, sir. Read password returns what? Char array. Char array, I'm passing argument to constructor. What constructor will do? It takes all the characters available in char array and convert to what? String object. Return string object to us. Array, you need to verify the password is equal or not. For comparing password characters, it should be in char array, in string object. As a string object. Now tell me. Here what should I write now? I should write if condition. I want to check no. If else. What I should write? If. Bolo, if username is equal to HK and password equal to Naresh IT, then allow doing what? Transaction. Else throw error system dot out dot println double quotes the given username and password are invalid. This is error message I want to display. Okay. If it is correct, I want to go for object creation and initialization. But how to compare it now? Tell me, username password to compare purpose, we have to use double equal to operator. Hello, double equal to operator compare two objects. Username is a string. String is object, na? It compare two objects by using data, na? By using reference. What is in USN? Object data there or reference is there? Then what it compare? The value available in USN. Inside USN, what is the reference? Then what it compares? Reference, not data. But I want to compare reference or data, na? Data. For that I must use dot equals. Inside USN is what type of variable? String. Inside a string class there is a predefined method called equals. This equals method compares two string objects by using content. That means USN pointing object internal data is compared with this argument object data. If both are HK, then it returns true. Else returns what? False. So if you want to compare two objects with content, I should use a double equal to operator or equals method. Equals method I should use. Now the question. Equals method compares the content available in a USN object and this argument object by using uppercase, by using the case HK. Username must be case sensitive or case insensitive? Insensitive. You can create with uppercase or you can enter what lowercase or you can go for what mixed case. For example, you have Gmail account. Gmail account, all the characters you can write in capital letter, small letter, mixed case, your wish. Username is not case sensitive, but password must be case sensitive. If you want to compare characters without considering the case, you must use equals ignore case. What the method name? Equals ignore case. In string class, there are two equals methods are there. Equals and equals ignore case. Equals method compare two objects by considering case. Equals ignore case compare two objects without considering case. Is it clear? Now tell me, how can I write this and in Java? Double and. Okay. And you want to compare this password dot. You want to compare reference or data, na? Data. Data means again what I should use? Equals. Equals of NIT. All you people think and tell me, you must use equals or equals ignore case. Equals, because password is case sensitive. One uppercase letter must be there, one digit must be there, one special character must be there, right? So that means it must compare with what? Case. So equals method. Everyone understand how to write? Write on up to here. Doubt it. Write down here throws IO exception. Tell me what logic I should write inside this method. Inside this method I should create. Now what do you call this person is a valid data entry operator. Now what he has to do? He has to read employee data and store. So first of all he has to create employee object. Na? Employee emp equal to new employee. Now tell me, inside this employee object, all these variables provided memory, na? I should fill these values by reading values from the keyboard. Emp dot eno. Tell me, you want read and assign value to ENO by reading from where? Below command line. How read value from command line? Args of 0. Now coming value coming in string format, you have to convert to int. Then what you should write? Integer dot parse int of args of 0. Next, ename. Integer dot parse int of what do you write? Args of 1. Integer are required or not required? Not required. Because args of 1 is string, you want assign to string. The next, department. You want read department from buffer reader. So what I should write? First of all, I have to create buffer reader object now. System.in. Then here I should call br.readline. When you want read data by using readline method, I must display message system.out.println double quotes enter department. Next, you want read salary from the buffer reader. So what do you write? br.readline. To read br.readline salary, I should convert it to double dot parse double of br.readline. What do you write here? System.out.println of double quotes enter salary. Okay. Then next. Now you want to read mobile number and email by using scanner. And then I have to create first of all scanner object. Scanner scn equal to scanner of system.in. Here what you write? System.out.println of double quotes enter mobile. Now I should read that mobile by using scn dot next line. Okay, next. system dot out dot println of double quotes, enter email. Now how to read this email? SCN dot next line. This is next long. Tell me, if you want to call next line after next method, you must call next line 2 times. SCN dot next line. Okay, but now I have a question. In email, is there any space? No, right? So next line required or next sufficient? If I write next 2 times, next line required or not required? Not required. But still I am writing next line to remind you that next line I have to call 2 times. Is it clear? Next, you want read gender from where? System property. Now what do you write? System dot get property of double quotes gender. It returns M. I have to convert to caret of 0. Am I right? System dot get property of gender returns what? Double quotes M. The double quotes M I have to convert it to single quote M. Then next, I want read working status from where? System property. We have to convert to boolean. Boolean dot parse boolean of what do you write? System dot get property of double quotes status. I want to take property as what? Status. Is it clear? Then I have to display all values. That's it. Okay. Right. So write all points by your own. Don't copy. Completed? Shahid, what are you doing, man? Why are you starting video, offing video? Sleeping? Who is your class admin, Sharma? Sahama. Contact him. I don't know who is your class admin. Initial days I gave no number. Completed? Can you display all variables here? The employee values you entered are, right? The employee values you entered are. The employee values you entered are. Written all people. System dot out dot println double quotes. What do you write? The employee values are. Okay, I can say this is a ID card. We are preparing something ID card. Okay. System dot out. Sorry. System dot out dot println 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Plus. If you want to access variables, can I access them directly? No, right? I must use reference. emp dot. Understanding of what I'm writing? If you want to access variables, I need object reference. emp dot. Okay? Paste. You should remove these semicolons. Save it. Compile. Now, else what? Error. So I think we have completed project. Control 1, compile, control 2. Username, HK, password, NIT. Exception, array index, out of x index 0, out of bounds for the length 0. Why? Why I got this exception? Can I run this class directly? Can I run this class directly? No. Why? This class is reading command line arguments and reading what? System properties. So you must run from where? This is a command you must use. Write down command. Java -d gender equal to male -d status equal to true. Completed? Now I have to open command prompt. From command prompt only I should run. T drive 11 a.m. 9 a.m. project 4. Project 4 when I teach remaining 3 projects. Did I teach any projects as of now? No? Gajni fellows. I taught 3 projects. Student project, create real world object student, employee, bank account, 3 projects plus this one, 4. Okay. Actually, this is a continuation to previous projects, but every time new chapter we are adding and continuing. Tell me what I should do here. Java space -d gender equal to male -d status equal to true -d company space 101 HK. So it entered into main method console object created or obtained console object? Console object not created. Console object is obtained from system class and then asking enter username HK. Next enter password. Password it is asking NIT. So I entered correct username password, then enter it into if condition true and true false, true and true, then going into if, then inside if reading args of 0, reading args of 1, stored in employee object, employee number and employee name. Then next it is asking for a department. Department I'm entering Java. Then when I press enter, now Java reading and storing in department. Go into next line. Asking for salary. Salary I'm giving something or some number. Okay. And then now it is reading and storing inside sal variable. Next scanner object. With the scanner object reading mobile number, some number I'm giving. And then reading email, some email some email.com I'm giving. Then now reading status, gender value and reading status value. Finally all values are coming. 101 HK Java 10,000. Okay, na? So this is the story about command and arguments application, all points. So with this, all people got confidence on working with Java? Easier? Can you develop the same project for, same project for bank account? Bank account, I have static properties, non-static properties, right? You can add in bank project, address also there, na? We also address also taken address. So this is a small project I have developed. With this knowledge, you can try a big project. So it's your opika. Your opika means your patience. Okay, na? How much more you want? You want to make your project big. That much more variables you have there. That's it. Continuation written else block. Have written these SOP line statements? No, no. I said no, write down yourself. SOP lens also not in a position you write. Cross control. Else block. Error message. Close main method, close class. Completed? Thank you. That's all for today class. So tomorrow we'll start new chapter.